Hi guys, I bought aluminum phone stand. It's anti-split base rubber paddling. So I buy this guys because sometimes I put my phone in the kitchen like while I'm doing washing because I want to watch something like video, so my phone always falls. So let's see what's in this. I bought this aluminum, by the way guys, phone stand for only $2.49. It's in big glass. So let's open this one guys. So let's try. So this is it guys. I choose, they have different color. They have blue, gold, and pink. So this is it guys, my aluminum phone stand. This is my other collection of phones accessories. So see you next video. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Please. Until next video, please visit my page, Cooking Wife. Thank you so much. God bless and goodbye. Bye-bye.
1400
You like here? Huh?
station powered by PNC.
A day after accused sex trafficker Jeffrey Epstein killed himself, investigations into how he was able to do it at the jail are ramping up. Correspondent Paulo Sandoval is at the